Hi guys, in this video I will guide you on how to show photos from iPhone to TV. So if you want to be able to display the photos on your iPhone on any TV you have, the process is quite simple and there are basically two ways to go about it. First, if you're using a TV that is not an Android or a Google TV but any smart TV like the LG TV or the Samsung TV, the Hisense Smart TV, just any TV that is not an Android or a Google TV, what you want to do is to make sure you turn on the Apple AirPlay feature on your TV. Usually you would find it on the home screen or around the home menu of your TV. In my case, once you scroll down below, you should be able to find the Apple AirPlay and HomeKit settings from the home dashboard. So you can literally see it over here. In some TVs, you can literally find it from the connection settings of the TV. Make sure you select it and make sure it is actually turned on. So click on AirPlay and HomeKit settings over here and then make sure it is turned on. And after doing that, you just want to come back to the home of your TV. Go ahead and get your iPhone and then just swipe down through the notification center on your iPhone, tap on this box icon over here, and automatically, as long as both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi, you should be able to find the name of your TV over here, regardless of the brand. So this is the name of my TV. I'll just go ahead and tap on it and automatically both devices would connect. So from here, I can just go ahead and open up any photo on my iPhone and then show those photos from my iPhone into the TV. So I can go ahead and display this photo, and as you can see, it is currently being displayed on my TV, and this works for literally any TV you have. However, if you have an Android or a Google TV, the process is quite different. So for Android and Google TV, just like this one, you want to go over to the App Store or App section of the TV, which is basically the App Store. Come over to the search input field and you will need to download a third-party application that serves as the AirPlay, because Android and Google TVs does not have the AirPlay feature. So you can either search for the app known as AirScreen from this input field over here, or alternatively, since it is just at the bottom over here, I can go ahead and just select it and then make sure I download and install this application. And also, once you have the application, it works exactly like the AirPlay feature. All you just have to do is to open it up, set up the application, and also make sure that you're connected to the same Wi-Fi network on your phone. And as soon as the application is completely set up just like this, you want to do the same thing. So go over to the top notification center on your iPhone, click on this box icon again. You should be able to find the name of the application. Just go ahead and select that option, give it a couple of seconds, and it should also automatically pair with your TV. And also, you should now be able to display pictures or show pictures from your iPhone as well on your Android or your Google TV. So I can go ahead and open up any photo from over here, and as you can see, it actually displays from my phone to my Android or my Google TV. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.